Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA's Expo Jamaica has opened to the public. The event, which officially opened to buyers on Thursday into Friday, is expected to provide a wide range of export opportunities to local manufacturers. Businesses are set to make use of a number of opportunities for export as the local trade show Expo Jamaica kicks into full gear at the National Arena. The return of Expo Jamaica is slated to be the largest in the 48-year event's history. Now, 20,000 patrons are expected to converge right here in Kingston, Jamaica, with more than 670 buyers listed to participate. Aswad Morgan is the event's chairman.
I'm happy to say that we had to cut it off at 668 buyers, a record number for us. We have buyers coming from Oman, from Sweden, from Yugoslavia, China, all over the Caribbean, Central America, and of course our bigger trading partners, the United States, the UK, Canada. They all came in droves, and of course a lot of our local providers, local buyers from the hotels and supermarkets, etc., came in.
The buyers say it's a great opportunity to strengthen their supply chain.
I come here to look for new suppliers, to new tenants, for in the market. And it's important to support the local suppliers.
Our mission is to grow export coming out of Jamaica within 5 years by at least 30%. So we're looking for those small companies that are making great products that we can export to the market, the global marketplace.
And for the exhibitors?
It's an excellent platform if you're looking for growth, to connect with new buyers, enter new markets, and just to grow your business overall.
Our first primary export came from out of this export back in 2014 all the way to the UK. And that's where we actually met our first clientele. And then from there we started to grow as well. Our second clientele we also met again here at the Expo for the US, based in Florida. So of course we do see the potential and the growth and capacity and also the networking based on this Expo.
Co-chair of Expo Jamaica, Catherine Silvera, says the possible linkages made through the event will be tracked through their partners JamPro.
They have actually given all exhibitors and buyers forms to fill out on the B2B meetings that were taking place between yesterday and today. They'll then analyze those and they'll follow up with the relevant persons to see how many leads were generated. Now, we already know that some sales have taken place already from yesterday, so there are some instant sales that do take place, and then further other businesses that have to then follow up with the buyers that they've met with.
The event will be open to the general public until Sunday with a charge for admission. Let's head to the foreign currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $153.31. $114.04 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $192.72 for the pound, while it's costing an average $172.91 for the euro. The JSE Index gained 2,293 points today, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 49 points. Among the winners were Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, or parent company Radio Jamaica, JMB Group 7.5% shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, and Margaritaville Turks, while leading the decliners were JMB Group 5.75% US dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, PBS 9.75% shares, Elite Diagnostics, First Rock Real Estate Investments, and Lasco Manufacturers. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.